Hi, my name is Silke. I work at the development department and am responsible for the UBN Line. Today I'm very happy to present to you the newest member of the UBN family, the UBN Six. A modern low-step model of the latest generation. The UBN Line was created for riding in the urban area. These are lightweight e-bikes which give you optimal assist, are basically noiseless, with a high torque and have a battery capacity which will take you around and about your city. This is exactly what the new drive system Ride 60 of the German brand Fazua does. The 60 Nm drive unit and the 430 Wh battery will take you wherever you want. The slim looks, properly integrated components and high-quality processing make each UBN Line bike a true premium e-bike. Last but not least, the UBN bikes are totally connected via the RX chip as a standard, the system connection via CAN bus and a Bluetooth interface. This technology makes the RX Connect app the central element of control on and off the bike. Via Bluetooth connection to the bike, you see all relevant ride data such as speed, battery charge, engine power, etc. in real time. Tours are also automatically recorded and can be displayed afterwards with a map view and detailed riding data such as CO2 savings, speed and even the levels of support used. You can register multiple bikes in the app. The overall statistics are displayed separately for each bike. The anti-theft features are taken to a new level with the UBN Line. You can select which alarms are activated when you lock your bike digitally in the app. The UBN Six is based on the same concept as the first two models UBN 5 and UBN 7. As a low step, it is a unique bike. Easy to use, lightweight and connected. The frame uses the same platform as our other UBN models. For more information about UBN 5 and UBN 7, please watch the video. Let's have a look at the most obvious difference, the shape of the frame. The UBN 6 is a low-step model with a low step-through height. The design language is the same as with UBN 5 and UBN 7. This line is central in the frame. The rear part of the frame and the head tube are identical parts with the other two models. The UBN bikes are truly a family. For the design, we focused on a slim-looking central tube, matching the lightweight looks of UBN 5 and UBN 7. It is our most lightweight low-step model so far. A hollow chamber in the central tube adds extra stability and therefore a safe feeling while riding. Because of the hollow chamber, the battery is not fully covered by the frame. To have a slim-looking frame design, we have deep-drawn the battery cover, which then elegantly covers the battery while still looking lightweight. One of my favorite details is the small top tube here. It adds stability to the frame and, at the same time, is a handle for the urban everyday use. You can easily carry the bike when you, for example, use public transportation. The top tube shape resembles that of UBN 5 and UBN 7. By the way, we did a lot of testing with different users and hand sizes for the optimal size, diameter and position of the small top tube. Generally speaking, the UBN 6 is offered with the same options as UBN 5 and UBN 7. You get different gear options, the comfort kit, which you can see here, the suspension kit, as well as lock options. What are these components? Looking at the cockpit, you will find the Fazua control hub, a remote with integrated LED display. You can see the level of support, the state of charge, as well as being able to switching on and off the light. It also has a USB-C connection for charging your phone or your bike computer. If you opt for the comfort kit, which you can see here, you will get a stem with a 20-degree instead of a 7-degree rise. This makes riding the UBN 6 even more comfortable. As with UBN 5 and UBN 7, you also have the SP Connect interface and the integrated lamp mount. Especially the saddle is important when speaking about comfort. So we have specified the softer Selle Royale Essenza Eco in two widths. Shell and cover are sustainably produced in Italy. The Schwalbe Marathon Supreme Green Guard tires add an extra plus of comfort to the ride thanks to the width of 50 mm. The ride protection against wet conditions are guaranteed with these fenders which are a bit wider. The rear light is integrated in the rear fender. We think that low-step riders prefer having a basket on the rear rack. That's why we developed a rear rack fitting the design of the Urban Line. Its maximum load is 27 kilograms, compatible with MIK equipment and child seat systems. For the Urban Six, you can choose between colors pure white and matte black. Frame sizes are 45, 51 and 57. Gear options are an 11-speed rear derailleur system or an 8-speed internal gear hub with weld, which you can see here. As a standard, you will have a cockpit with a straight handlebar and an integrated SP Connect interface. When opting for the comfort kit, you get a back sweep handlebar with ergonomic grips, a stem with more rise and a wider saddle for more comfortable riding position. If you choose the suspension kit, the rigid aluminum fork and seat post are switched to the suspended Sancho NCX fork and the Satori Elegance suspended seat post. I think the Urban Six is a truly modern low-step model which many people will be enthusiastic about. I hope you are as excited as I am and you cannot wait until you see the bike live in a shop or even ride it yourself. Thank you very much.